Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. It is Wednesday, April 8th, and I am here for your rundown on math. So the last couple of days we have been working on PEMDAS, or reviewing rather PEMDAS. So we're going to continue with that today. So the very first thing that you're going to do, it says see the videos for lesson 1. So as I told you on both Monday and Tuesday, you are just doing one video of the day. So come back here. You may have done this one Monday and this one Tuesday. So this would be a good one. Tuesday. So this would be a good one for Wednesday. If you already did this one, then pick this one or this one, depending on what order you went in. Okay. So then after that, then you're going to scroll back down and you're going to come over here to the operations, to this column. And again, you're only picking one. You're going to do this or you're going to do this. Okay. So you don't have to do this activity as instructed in the presentation. Just complete the practice problems and check with the QR codes. But you don't have to check the QR codes because here they are, right here are the answers. So you don't have to do that either. And actually, let's look. I think they may be on there all together. So we'll go through. So the way that this is going to work is you're going to solve some questions based on the surgery that you choose to pick. Yes, I said surgery. The first thing that I would encourage you to do is go to File and make a copy of the entire presentation. Again, File and make a copy of the entire presentation. That way, if you want to type inside the box your answers, you can, and then share it. Otherwise, you cannot type inside of here because everybody sees that. All right, so you're going to play doctor. So you're going to pick which surgery you'd like to do. And you don't have to pick all of them, just pick one. So let's say you want to choose knee replacement surgery. So you're going to come down here, and what you're going to do is you're going to, you don't need all of this. All this can be skipped. Skip, 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 skip. You're not doing broken wrist. You're doing the knee replacement. So what you're going to do is you're going to complete these 4 problems for the knee replacement. Okay. Just a couple of reminders that this slash right here, that is a division symbol. It's a fraction bar, which therefore means it is a division symbol because it's a fraction bar. Another reminder is that don't forget when you have the parentheses next to the number without anything in between, just as a reminder, that means you're going to what? That's right, you're going to multiply. Okay, so, and then I think the rest of these are pretty easy peasy. Once you have finished those 4, then you're going to scroll down, skipping the heart surgery, skipping the brain surgery. Then you're going to go to the yellow ones and go to the knee replacement for the yellow ones. And you're going to complete these 4 because these 4 have decimals in them. Don't freak out. They're just as fine. You have an answer key, so it's not a big deal. Okay. Another reminder, your brackets are a special parentheses. So whatever's outside of the brackets, that means you're doing it last. And again, same reminder as before. Don't forget when you have a digit next to a parentheses like that, it means that you are going to multiply. Same thing here. The 2 next to this parenthesis means you're going to do what? That's right, you're going to multiply. And that doesn't change just because this is a bracket. That also means the same thing. You're going to do that 4 next to that bracket, nothing in between, so that means you're multiplying there. Then when you're done with that, you're going to go to the pink section, again with the knee replacement, and you're going to complete these problems here. And again, these are the same denominator, so don't freak out on that. Same denominator here, so don't freak out on that. And the only difference here would be this 1/2. Well, what is 1/2 as a, you can't do those two because they have different denominators. But if this denominator is 4, that means this denominator is also 4. Well, what is the fraction for that? 2/4. That's right. So this really is like having the same denominator. Okay, so pretty easy peasy stuff on that. And for those of you who are listening to this video, man, you really just got a freebie right there, didn't you? If you're not listening to the video, And then you're going to come down here and it has all your answers. So for the first set that you did, you'll look in this column. And again, only for the knee replacement, here. So you don't have to do any kind of QR codes like it said on there. Everything you need is already on here. And then again, if you chose instead you wanted to do brain, then obviously you would do this one, and then this one, and then this one, okay? And then that is the activity for today. You don't even need to answer this up because the answers were already on, the answers were already on here for you. You didn't have to open anything up. You don't have to do this either, okay? So no worries about that. And then this is just saying that you don't have to worry about exponents, which we've been talking about, that you don't have to do all week. And then here is something extra. If you have somebody to play with at home, this would be a fun game if somebody is willing to play with you at home. If not, it's no big deal. It's extra. No worries. Okay. Then when you're done with that, don't forget to come back to today's folder and answer your discussion piece for today. Make sure, as I said the last couple of days, make sure you are commenting in the box. You're typing up your answers. If you don't like to type, you can always hit this audio video recording. If you're having trouble with your audio video recording, you probably need to talk to an adult, especially if you have been on conferences before, then that means it just something needs to be adjusted. And just get an adult or an older brother or sister who can help you problem solve that. But you should probably be able to do a video recording if you have some kind of laptop. And again, if you can't, that's no big deal either. Then you just need to type in your answers. And again, please, no one-word answers. You need to be thorough with everything that you do. If you're having trouble with any of this stuff, then you'll go back out into the main weekly folder, April 6th through 10th. And if you need more help, then you're clicking here. But if you're like, oh, I got this, no problems at all, then go ahead and give me more and you can follow the directions there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a good time with it and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.